Good afternoon, guys. Today we are having one of our outdoor programs, which is called Bubble Snakes. And we are showing you guys how to make bubble snakes. Now, to do that, we're going to need to make a bubble snake blower. To do that, you're going to need an empty water bottle or soda bottle, a sock, rubber band or some duct tape to hold the sock in place, and then some scissors. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to make one of the bubble snake blowers really quickly. All right. First, we're going to need to cut the bottom off of the water bottle, and we'll need to use the scissors to do that. Just pick a spot to cut, and you're going to just cut around in the circle. Get as even as you can until the bottom comes right off, and we'll just put that away to be recycled. So now you have this. I'm going to even it up a little bit. All right, so then we take our sock and we're going to put our bottle. And this might be easier said than done, so I'm going to do it this way. Don't worry about dropping the bottle, because that will probably happen. And we'll pull the sock over the bottle. This might be a little tricky. You should be able to eventually get it pulled tight against the bottom of the bottle. And it may not be perfectly round, but that's okay. You want to give yourself some access here to the top of the bottle, because that is where you're going to need to blow. Now these socks are pretty stretchy and they hold on pretty decently to the bottle. If you have problems with the sock sliding off, you can wrap a rubber band around it, or in some cases you can get some duct tape and that will actually tape it to the bottle and hold it. So we've got this one ready to go. So we're going to go hop outside real quick, and I'm going to show you hopefully what the bubble snake looks like when we do. Okay guys, we have come outside here to the library. We've got our bubble snake blower, and what we're going to do to make our bubble snakes, you're going to need to get you a shallow dish or bowl and fill it full of soapy water. Just get a couple of squirts of dish soap, a little bit of water, and you should be able to make a nice soapy solution. Then you're going to take the end of your bubble snake blower and you're going to just dip it right in that water. And you guys look. There you go. Well, it's not quite a snake yet. Let's do this again. Get a good breath of air. If you notice on some of the pictures and stuff you'll see online, they've got different colors mixed in with the bubble snakes. So what you need to do for that is just add some food coloring. So we've got a couple bottles right here. I'm going to put a couple dots of some teal food coloring in there, dip it back in the water, mix it around a little bit. So that's how we do our bubble snakes. Our program is going to be at 1 o'clock on July 21st out here on the library lawn. You guys come and join us, and we will help you guys make this. If you can't join us, all you have to do is get an old sock, a bottle, a little bit of dish soap, and some food coloring, and you can make your own bubble snakes. And we will see you guys next time.